Hello, welcome again. Today I will solve this problem. Problem name is n l dot new array. So the problem is giving you two array a and b and size n. That means they will give us two array and size will be same for two array, and then print a new array. That means, then we have to create a new array, which will be a name will be c, and that hold the concatenation of b forward by a. That means in the c array, we have to put b array first, and then we have to put a array. Okay, and there is a note that is solve this problem by using function. That means we can't do raw code. We have to use function for this. That means we will have to solve this problem by vector. Okay, this is how we'll print. You can see in the example output, they print first b array and then a array. But this is not b array. Actually, this is c array. Okay, let's solve this problem. You have to click here first. Okay, we'll so C++. Uh, First, I have to take the integer, and then I'll input it. Then I'll create two array a and b, and size will be same. Uh, and then I'll take input. Oh, I'm sorry. Array will be in vector. We have to use vector, then data type, then name, and then size. Okay, by, and then we have to input first. C in AI. Okay, okay. We take input A and B array, and then we will create a new vector. Name will be C. Vector data type will be int. Okay, and C. And we'll put B array fast here. We can do it directly actually. Okay, yes, and now we'll use uh, insert function in the C array. We already get the B array, so now we just have to add A array. Okay, let's take C insert. We have to put here where we want to add. So we want to add a array in the last, or in the last array of C, the last. Okay, so C dot end. Oh, sorry, C dot end, E and end, and then we have to add. We have to say here what do we want to bring beginning of the A array. So A, and then there will be BRA end. Okay, now it's okay for now, I think. Yes, now we'll print. Sorry, yeah, val low C. let's check it here. Is my code right or not? Yes. Okay, let's check with their problem. I think we're right. Okay, problem name is new array. Okay, let's submit it. Sometimes they take time for internet and for laptop. We have to wait. Nothing to do. I think they will accept it. Yeah, they accept it. Okay, see you with a new problem. Bye.